development, firstly we'll set up our VS Code. So go to your browser, then type VS Code. Click on the first option. Click on download for Windows. If you are a Mac user or a Linux one, then click on these two, first one and third one. And if you are Windows, then click on Windows x64 installer. And if you have a 32 or 64-bit, then firstly convert your computer system to 64-bit, then install VS Code from this link. Save file. So our download is done. Now go to the folder and click on the option. Then if you want, then you can read the agreement. Then no need. If you don't want, then I accept the agreement. Click on it, then go to next, then next, and create a desktop icon. Just check that box, and others you can also check if you want. Then go to next, install. It takes some time to get installed. So yeah, it is done. If you want to launch it right now, then go to finish, and hopefully our VS Code is there. Then as you can see, there are some codes which I have written it before, as I have installed it before and worked on it. Now if you are new, then these all icons will not be there. It will be simply a blank page. And yeah, like this. Then if you want to make a new file, then you can click Ctrl N and a new until file will be created. Then if you want it to be on HTML form, then click Ctrl Save and put .html extension after the name, then save. See, it's this, and this ma is a folder which I have created before. I'll tell you it on the series, but before we'll take some extensions and go to this 4-box icon, and on the search bar click search live save server. Then click on it. As you can see, it's already installed, so I'll uninstall it and then install for you. See, it's installed. You can read its documentation and see for what it is working. Then you can go to the search bar and type bootstrap. So we'll go to this one, first option, bootstrap for font awesome 4, font awesome 5, free and pro snippet. Then you can install it. See, installed. Then we'll see for prettier, adds, it makes our code look pretty, and this one, then you can install it. After that we'll go for JavaScript, as it is the main part of making any website. Then script, ES6, then I'll install it and then install it. So these all extensions should be installed in your computer beforehand. Then you can see some settings also. Here, settings, see text editor. Here you can change all the settings of your editor, location and everything, font, then cursor div editor also. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video. Then stay tuned for making a great website filled with pictures, folders and up-to-date website and e-commerce too. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.